These were the bar stools and stuff that I ordered. That they kind of like came in the mail like different shippings and stuff. Like these supposed to be on the wall right here. I supposed to have this rack right here on that wall. I had all that supposed to be on the same wall. This is my Summit. It's been through it. It's been through a lot. Yeah, you kind of see what's on this side of it. But yeah, you look at the drawing and stuff that's in it. It's really damn nice. That's how I used to keep my shirts and stuff in them. It's really heavy duty type equipment though. You can see it pops out and you can lock it back in and stuff like that. Have to have the key to unlock this top shelf. These slide out there pretty smooth. Yeah. Pretty good deal with them here. Look at this. Yeah. It slides out and you can make like a hot dog stand or something like that out of them. And right there here. For the longest though. I will sit over here. Right here what I got right here, my trumpet. That's a trumpet. Hold on. So I would like to sit right here. I have my footstool right here. All this supposed to be in one damn dimension. That's one of my heavy duty bar stools I had ordered. With this table right here. That's one of my stools. That table is heavy duty. You know. Really not a joke, man. You can see the summer stick on that side and my jackhammers right here, Louisville ladder, property of the Jets. Christmas time. I'm wearing the die-hard Cowboy fan. This is my Black and Decker weed eater. I show you that one. 20 volt cutters and stuff like that. I had my Louisville with that one. That's another Milwaukee on my daughters and stuff like that. This bar stool right here. This heavy duty. Yeah, I made from hard damn oak wood. You can kind of see the texture on that, and then you can see the texture on this one. It's kind of like the same. Probably about half. This one is probably about half of this one for the network. That one, that's a club. That goes with this one. This one goes with that bar stool right here. So, you know. It's me in the morning when I wake up here. I keep my gun loaded. So, you know, keep my 9 loaded. Don't never know what these guys might try to pull over here lately on your Clay Network. Like, see, please hit subscribe and let me know your comments. I'll talk to y'all later. This one of my pumps and stuff like this. My crane. One of my cranes, I got some kind of way it's laced up, where it jacks up and it pulls you in for about 3,000 pounds. That's another one of my cranes right there. So like we see, please hit the subscribe button below. Let me know your comments. Cowboy Capital. Yeah. Sit out right here for a minute. I like this. I love stuff like this right here. You know what I use it for? They got the rod right here. can't see it, kind of like jam behind it, but yeah. Got the thing you can prop your feet on the side of it with, you know. That here, real, bro. Trying to get it up to about $25,000 at the max, the whole thing. Get it up to about $25,000. Before I sell it. A little townhouse though, you know what I'm saying? The workshop. Townhouse though. Trying to build up about 25,000. I'm probably about, I checked yesterday, I'm probably about $425 from it. So, for my goal, I'm certain 25,000. So, yeah. Obviously, please hit the subscribe button below. Let me know in my profile. Right here, I'll show you that.